Moving on, this actually concludes our open tech session, and we're moving straight into our next session, which is the Smart Factory. So as we are in the Smart Factory, or the brain as we like to call it, we're joined by our panelists. So I'm going to let the panelists introduce themselves, but we're going to be joined, I'll just give the names, Ted Machuba, Karthi Madasmi staying on with us. This is Jacob Hahn, joined by Todd Stavish from SRI International, Rose Chen from Wesco Distribution. Joining us from Army Futures Command is Desri Grogan. For Worldwide Tech Services is Mark Bodner. From Siemens Digital Industry Software, Charles Grover, and from the city of New York, Jen Nabarakawa. So we're going to get started right in with the first presentation just momentarily. I just want to give an opportunity for all the panelists to just say hi real quickly. Those who are carrying on from the previous panel, we've already heard from them, but just also if you could just state your name and your primary tech interest. Let's go around the horn. We'll start with Ted.
So yeah, this is Ted Machuba. I am at Fort Benning, Georgia, and we are interested in pulling capabilities in robotics, autonomy, and artificial intelligence down to the soldier level, but definitely the small unit level. And when we say small unit, it's the 40 soldier platoon and below. Over.
Wonderful, wonderful. By the way, I just did my whole mental slip. I forgot to say proper thank you to all of our panelists that joined us from both industry, corporations, and from investors, and as well as from federal government and city government. Thank you so much for joining us, and for all the companies for presenting. So next up, Destry from the Army's Future Command.
Hello, my name is Destry Grogan. So I work as the Director of Integration for the synthetic training environment for the cross-functional team down here in Orlando. So underneath Army Futures Command, we do a lot of the modernization and the innovation within the Army.
Thank you, Destry. Sure. How about Karthi? Do you mind getting on camera again and introducing yourself real briefly?
Yeah, sure thing. Hey guys, it's Karthi from MFE Partners. We're an early stage deep tech fund here in Palo Alto. We invest across a variety of technologies in deep tech. We've done investments in quantum computing, AI hardware, humanoid robotics, EV technologies, computer vision software, data management software. We write checks anywhere from $1 million to $3 million and kind of focus between anywhere from C to Series A. Yeah, look forward to the companies and presenting today and interacting with other panelists. Thank you.
Thank you. Jacob from Deloitte.
Yeah, good afternoon, everybody. Jacob Hahn with Deloitte. I'm the leader of our commercial UAS program, more specifically, but even broader, all things autonomy and robotics in the context of, I think, today's topic, smart factories. Really interested in sensing solutions and the data capabilities that enable scheduled maintenance in the context of factories.
Fantastic. Thank you very much. Todd Stavish from SRI International.
Hi, Todd Stavish, SRI Ventures Managing Director. We're the venture arm of SRI International, who does a lot of research and development for government agencies, and as well as like programs like DARPA. We also do a lot of research and development for large multinational corporations. I run the venture arm, and so we take a lot of the tech that we develop for these customers and spin them out into ventures. So I'm really interested to participate in the panel today.
Thank you, Todd. Rose Chen from Wesco.
Hi, everyone. Pleasure to meet you all. Rose Chen from Wesco International. We are a global supply chain distributor and logistics company, publicly listed, and currently looking for solutions that can really help us to digitally transform our company internally, but at the same time also going to market with customers. And we're also a strategic investor in this space. So anything that is related to supply chain, logistics, distribution, we would be very interested.